Welcome to Episode 6. Plan to produce how forecast demand becomes a finished good on the shelf through PP, MM, and FI. Four ideas: master data, MRP, the production order, and settlement. Every SAP manufacturing conversation sits on these four. The plan to produce loop. 5 steps, 3 modules. PP plans. MM moves the materials. FI records the cost. Demand comes in. MRP explodes the bill of materials into planned orders. A planner releases a planned order as a production order. The shop floor issues raw stock, confirms labor, and finally receives finished goods back into inventory. Variance posts to FI. Same loop every time you turn raw stock into finished goods. Step 1. The master data. Before you can plan anything, 3 records must exist in SAP for the finished good. A bill of materials. The recipe. What components, in what quantity, go into one unit. A routing. The steps. Which operation, at which work center, for how long. And the work center itself, the place. A machine or a cell or a crew. It has a capacity and a cost rate. Master data posts nothing to FI, but get it right once and every production order after that almost runs itself. Step 2. MRP Material Requirements Planning. MRP is the engine. It looks at demand, sales orders, forecast, stock minimums, and decides what needs to be bought and what needs to be made. For the finished product, it explodes the BOM down to every component. For each component, it checks what's on hand, what's already on order, and how long replenishment takes. Where there's a gap, it drops a planned order, make it, or a purchase requisition, buy it. All of this is still a plan. Until a planner converts something, nothing has posted to FI. Step 3. The production order. A planner takes a planned order and releases it as a production order. That single action does 3 things. It changes status from created to released. It reserves the components in MM. Nobody else can plan against them. And it books capacity on the work center for the scheduled dates. The production order now acts as a cost collector. Every hour worked and every component consumed accrues to its number. Still no FI posting, only a statistical plan cost in CO. Step 4. Goods issue to production. The shop floor pulls raw stock from the warehouse to start work. Movement type 261. MM reduces raw material inventory. FI autoposts the other side. Debit raw material consumption, charged to the production order. Credit raw material inventory, valued at the material ledger's moving average price. Stock didn't disappear, it was reclassified, inventory down, work in progress cost up. Step 5. The confirmation. The shop floor finishes an operation and confirms how many hours of setup, labor, and machine time it actually took. CO does an internal activity allocation. The work center's cost center sends cost to the production order. Debit the production order. Credit the work center cost center. The amount is hours times the activity rate. This is a secondary cost posting. It lives in CO. No FI primary ledger entry yet. Step 6. Goods receipt and settlement. When the finished product comes off the line, the operator posts goods receipt. Movement 101. Finished goods inventory goes up at standard cost. Debit finished goods inventory. Credit factory output, which credits the production order. By now, the order has real cost on it: material, labor, machine time, and a standard value credited out. The difference, actual minus standard, is the variance. At period end, settlement clears the order. Debit production variance. Credit the order's remaining balance. Variance lands in COPA and the P&L. Quick recap of plan to produce. Master data first. BOM, routing, work center. No planning without them. MRP is a suggestion. Planners decide what to release. The production order is a cost collector. Every hour and every component charges to it. Goods issue and confirmation accrue cost on the order. Goods receipt puts finished stock in at standard value. Settlement posts the variance to FI. Thanks for watching the 6th SAP Concepts episode. Next up, organizational structures. Client, company code, plant, storage location, sales org. The skeleton SAP hangs everything on. Subscribe so you don't miss it.